So whenever you bring in a text box right here, let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in a title right here. I'm going to go ahead and say something like keep on watching right here. So this is the text that I have, the text box that I have right here. So now what you can actually do is, let's say for example, you can go ahead and then add in background colors to it and even add in borders to it to make it look good. So let's just go ahead and then center align this out right here, just like this, keep it on the center. And then what I'm going to do now is add in a background color to this. So to do that, you can simply go around over here and choose a background color right here. And then for the text, you got the background color, as you can see right here. You can select a particular text right here. And then let's say, for example, make it transparent as well. Only add in background color to 1, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And this is what you have. And apart from that, you can add in space right here to add in a style as you want as well. So for this one as well, let me just go ahead and then resize it, and then this is what you have. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and add in borders to it. So you can go ahead and add in border weight, as you can see right here, to add in a style as you want as well. So you got the border color as well, so you can go ahead and choose the border color as you want, and even go ahead and add in a fill color in the background as well, just like this, and you get the style as you want right here, just like this. So this is what you have. And now I'm going to go around onto the border color right here and change around the size right here of the border color, and then I'm going to go ahead and change the line to dotted as well, and you can see that immediately you got a certain style applied to it. And that is how you can add in background colors and then add in highlights and borders to text inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe